To increase the vibration or decrease the vibration intensity on your Logitech MX Master 4 is easy. Just go ahead and navigate to Logi Options Plus on your computer, and then once it's been launched, just select your mouse. Choose the option Haptic Feedback and then select it again. Then from here, you should see Haptic Intensity. If it's grayed out like so, just ensure that you've successfully enabled the vibrations. From here, you can now choose the vibration level that you want. Bear in mind with each click that you choose, you should be able to feel a slight preview coming from the mouse, letting you know how it feels like whenever you're using the mouse. If you select through the different options and you like the one that you've currently chosen, then you can always just choose to leave it as so and go back and continue using your mouse as you are. If you find you don't like it, you can always just choose to come back and choose to change it to something different. Bear in mind, if you decide to use the high concentration, it will consume more battery power. So just be careful whenever it comes to changing your haptic intensity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.